Now the question before us is, a jar contains 24 marbles. Some are green and others are blue. If a marble is drawn at random from the jar, the probability that it is green is 2/3. Find the number of blue marbles in the jar. Here we are to find the blue marbles. So let us see what is given in this question. Contains 24 marbles, total number of marbles. These are given as 24. What we are to find out? We are to find out blue marbles. Let number of blue marbles is equal to x. We assume that blue marbles are x in number. So number of other marbles are in green in color. So we here write that, so number of green marbles, because we have already assumed that blue marbles are x. Total number of marbles are also given. All the marbles are either green in color or blue in color. The total of both, that is green and blue, is 24. So when total marbles are given, blue marbles have been assumed. So we can say that the number of green marbles are 24 minus x. So now we can find out the probability of green marbles. Though the probability of green marbles is given in the question, but here we will also calculate the probability of green marbles on the basis of the assumptions of the number of green marbles. So probability of green marbles is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Here the number of favorable outcomes are the number of green marbles. So here we write 24 minus x. It will be divided by the total number of marbles, that is the total number of possible outcomes. So here it is 24. Now as per question, what is given? As per question, it is given that probability of green marbles is equal to 2/3. This is 1, this is 7, 2. This is the what we have calculated probability of green marbles. This is what which has been given in the question. Probability of green marbles is 2/3. From 1 and 2, 24 minus x over 24 is equal to 2/3. We can also write it as 24 into 2/3, or we can cut here, divide 24 by 3. Here it comes 16. So we can also write it as 16 is equal to 24 minus x. X will come here on the left hand side and 16 will go on the other side, and here x is equal to 8. That is the number of blue marbles which we had assumed as x. So number of blue marbles is equal to x. This is the answer. Now here in this question, we had assumed that the number of blue marbles are x. Now we will solve the same question with the assumption that green marbles are x. Let us see what happens. Now the total number of marbles which are given in the question, total number of marbles are 24. Now we assume that let number of green marbles is equal to x. In the earlier question, while solving the earlier part, the same part we had assumed that the number of blue marbles are x, but here we are assuming that the number of green marbles are x. So number of blue marbles are 24 minus x. So probability of green marbles is now is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes means number of green marbles. It is to be divided by the total number of possible outcomes or the total number of marbles. This is the first part. Now what is given? Given probability of green marbles is equal to, now the probability which has been given here in the question is 2/3 from 1 and 2. Here it is probability of green marbles, it is also the probability of green marbles, both are equal. So x over 24 is equal to 2/3. We can say that 24 will come here on the upper side, on the other side 24 into t, 2 divided by 3. So here it will be 43 divided by 3. So here it is 16. Here x represents the number of green marbles. Number of green marbles are 16. So now the number of blue marbles. So number of blue marbles are 24 minus x. 24 minus x. Value of x we have calculated as 16. So this is 8. So this is the answer. Now we have calculated the number of blue marbles firstly by assuming blue marbles as x, and in the second case assuming the number of green marbles as x. You have seen both the answers. The answer is the same. You can use any of the formula to calculate the number of blue marbles. Now we proceed with the next question. Now a bag contains 5 red balls and some blue balls. If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, determine the probability of blue balls in the bag. So here what is given? It is given that bag contains 5 red balls. Number of red balls are 5. So here we assume let number of blue balls, we here assume blue balls as number of blue balls as x. So here the total number of balls comes number of red balls plus number of blue balls, 5 plus x. Now we calculate the probability of blue balls and probability of green balls. Probability of blue ball is equal to number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes in the case of blue balls is the number of blue balls. It is x. It is to be divided by the total number of balls. It is 5 plus x. So now what is the probability of green ball? Probability of red ball. The probability of red ball is the number of favorable outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes are the number of red balls. It is 5. It is to be divided by the total number of balls, and the total number of balls are 5 plus x. So now we have arrived at the probability of blue balls as well as the red ball. Now what is given in the question? If the probability of drawing a blue ball is double that of a red ball, here what is given? Given probability of blue ball is equal to double that of a red ball, double that of probability of red ball. So what is the probability of blue ball? It is x over 5 plus x. Now what is the probability of red ball? We will fill in the values. It will be 5 plus x. So now what comes? X over 5 plus x, 10 over 5 plus x. We can also write it as x. Here 5 plus x will go to the other side on the upper side. Here it comes 10 into 5 plus x divided by 5 plus x. So here 5 plus x will be here cut. Both sides, upper and lower side, will be cut with each other, and x is equal to 10. So what we have to calculate? Determine the number of blue balls. Here we had assumed that the number of blue balls are x. We have arrived at the value of x. So the number of blue balls are equal to 10. This is the answer before you. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.